Welcome to this video in which I will show you how to clean a fridge for which the electricity has been cut in your absence, and this is really giving a rather disastrous result, but it can be cleaned very easily. This happens also when you have a house on the countryside, so don't hesitate to have a look at my little series about the house on the countryside. Let's go! So here the story is that I left for a couple of weeks and the electricity has been cut by accident, so of course it damaged all the food which was inside. This is a real pity, but in addition to this, it really dirtied the fridge a lot. We start by removing all the mobile pieces. In case you have more modern fridges, you might have some drawers for which there's a specific technique for removing them, and this is covered in another video. We'll be using a recurrent. This is a brand I like a lot, and we'll be also using an old sponge, and with this we're good. Of course we start by the top, because otherwise everything if you start from the bottom, when you're cleaning the top, it will fall down on the bottom. At least it helped unfreezing the freezing part here, which is always good for this old type of fridge. The door. What is important is really to go into the detail. Don't forget to make also the sides, because this is important for the visual effect, including here on the sides here. So once we've done the humid part, we're just drying with a cloth. My friends, now we are making the mobile elements. My friends, that's it. Now we can put back the mobile pieces. Beforehand, just check that everything is clean here, including on the joints. Also the exterior part as we're cleaning. This cross here is indicating that you have opened the fridge on this side. That's it, my friends. You see here that the fridge is now like new. And by the way, you see here at the bottom are very good apple juices coming from Metzingen. This is in Germany. It's just a great taste. Ich sage euch, Leute, das ist echt der beste Apfelsaft, den ihr finden könnt. Also den findet ihr in Metzingen. Schwäbisch, ihr könnt auch mal Katz Caillou, Schwäbisch schwätze hören. Das ist in dieser Video.
Ich heiße Caillou. Vor 3 Jahren bin ich in dem Gartenhaus auf die Welt gekommen, in dem ich mit meinem Bruder gelebt habe.
This technique is also very efficient in case you are finding a still in function fridge in the street. This is a very nice transition to the next video, which is the little series about the street treasures. So see you very soon on Happy Hour TV 1.